Hey everyone, it's Frankie with MeekSpace.com. Today I'm back with another tutorial for mDomestics. Today we're going to talk about installing mDomestics on your iPad. Now initially you will have been invited to join the beta, and once of course you've done that, you'll see a beta icon here on your desktop, and you will have gone through that process of signing up, and your iPad will have been added to the list of iPads that can install the beta. Then you're going to receive an email. You need to open that up here on your iPad. In this case, I received one earlier today, and it'll just say mDomestics, and you'll have an open on your device link here in this email. So you'll go ahead and tap on that, and then you'll have an install button or link that you'll click on, and then you'll agree to that install. Now once that's done, notice it says download started, so you don't need to hit install again. What's going on is it's downloading and it's going to start installing. If you just hit your home button, you'll see an icon here on your desktop and it's waiting to install. It's going to start the install process, and this takes a few minutes for it to finish up. While that's doing that, I'm going to introduce you to the mDomestics website. So open up Safari and go to mDomestics.com. So when you get to mDomestics, you'll see a screenshot here of mDomestics. And at the top, you've got Home, Support, Forum, Demonstrations, and Tutorials. Now if you go into Support, that's going to allow you to actually send in a support ticket. So if you're having problems with mDomestics, if you want to ask a question, if you want to make a suggestion, for making the app better, you can go in here and open a new ticket and do that from here. Now if you go into Forum will allow you to get into the forums, and here you can join in conversations that's going on about the app. We're just getting those set up, so hopefully there'll be more information available to you in the near future. If you go into demonstrations, essentially what this is just real brief demonstrations of all the different sections that you're going to find in mDomestics. Finally, if you click tutorials, we're just starting to upload some tutorials. Here you're going to find real brief tutorials on how to do certain things within mDomestics. Okay, let's go ahead and minimize our page here and go back to our home page, and it looks like mDomestics has been installed. So we'll go ahead and tap on mDomestics, and notice what happens is it initially installs the training database, and the reason we're doing that on the install is so that you have some data to play with right away. So at this point, you've just got a local database on your iPad. You're not connected on the cloud yet. You notice in the top left you have a cloud with a line through it. That just indicates you don't have connectivity to the cloud, to anyone. And that's okay while you're testing the system. But initially we want you to go from here and just start playing with the app. There's 20 make-believe publishers, and we've set up some groups and network neighbors and stuff for you. There's some reports that once you go through and do some scheduling and stuff, you could run through what reports we have done. Of course, we've got a lot more reports coming out very soon. Hopefully reports that will allow you to do pretty much anything that the secretary or the COBE or the life and ministry overseer need to do, as well as the public talk coordinator. So we hope to have enough reports to handle those responsibilities. Anyway, so we'd like for you to go ahead and move forward here and test the application in this format. Look for other tutorials on how to set up your database on the cloud, how to go from the training database to a real database for your congregation. We'll have those tutorials up online for you soon. So thanks for watching this tutorial.